Hello dear student, we are studying JEE MCQ and today's question is Euler's number relates. Options given. Option A, inertia force and elastic force. Option B, inertia force and gravity force. C, inertia force and pressure force. And D, pressure force and viscous force. We have to find the what is Euler's number or which term relates the Euler's number. Option A, B, C or D. This question is asked in SSC JEE 2014, which is from fluid mechanics. This question belongs to fluid mechanics. So we discuss in all options. Then we find the easily Euler's number. So in first option, inertia force and elastic force. Inertia force by elastic force. What is inertia force and elastic force? Inertia force by elastic force is equals to Mach number. It is equals to Mach number, that is root over Fi by Fe, where Fi equals to inertia force and Fe equals to elastic force. So this is not relates to Euler's number. In the second option, inertia force and gravity force. So inertia force by gravity force is equals to which form? It is equals to Froude number. The ratio of inertia force and gravity force is equals to Froude number. That is root over Fi by Fg. It is equals to Froude number. So option B not relates to Euler's number because it is Froude number. Next one is option C. So option C given inertia force and pressure force. Now we see the option C, inertia force by pressure force, that is root over Fi by Fp. So inertia force by pressure force, it is equals to Euler's number. Inertia force by pressure force is equal to Euler's number and is equals to root over Fi by Fp. Now we see the in detail Euler's number. So inertia force is ma, mass into acceleration, and pressure force is p into a. Now we put the value of inertia force and pressure force. So it is equals to root over ma by pa, where p equals to pressure, m equals to mass, a equals to area, and small a equals to acceleration. Now when we solve in next term, then it will be m equals to density into volume, that is mass, and acceleration is velocity by time, that is change in velocity with respect to time, that is acceleration. So root over density to volume into v by t by p into a. Now when we relates volume by time, when we relates volume to time, then it will be discharge. Volume by time is equals to discharge, that is a into v, and its unit is meter cube per second. It is equals to liter cube per second. So it is discharge. Now we put the value of volume by time is equals to a into v. So this equation will be rho into a into v divided by p into a. Then a cancel to each other. Then remaining term is root over rho v square by p. This is the equation for Euler's number. When we remove the root terms, so it will be v by root over p by rho, which is equals to Euler's number. That is equals to Euler's number. So option A and B is not equals to Euler's number. So option A and B is wrong, and option C is equals to Euler's number. So option C is correct, and option D is also wrong because it is not equals to Euler's number, pressure force and viscous force. So it is not equals to Euler's number. So here correct option is option C, inertia force and pressure force. Euler's number relates answer option C, inertia force and pressure force. So today's topic is over. For more updates, subscribe please. Thanks for watching.